Mia lived in a small house on a quiet street. Every night she sat near the window and looked outside. The street was dark and silent. Mia felt lonely inside her heart. She thought no one noticed her. She thought her life did not matter. One night, Mia made a small star from paper. It was simple, not bright, and not perfect. She placed the star on her window. When the light touched it, the star began to glow softly. People walked past her house. They saw the little star and stopped for a moment. Some smiled. Some felt warm inside. The next night, Mia saw another star in a nearby window. Then another. Soon many windows shone with small stars. The dark street became full of light. Mia's heart felt lighter. She understood something important. A small light can start a big change. You do not need to be loud or strong. You only need to shine in your own way. That night, Mia was not lonely anymore. If this story touched your heart, like, share, and subscribe for more.